guys, happy Sunday, March 17th, 2024. This is Steve's recipe for refried beans. Living in Arizona for 5 years, this is kind of like one of my favorites. So long story short, 2 cups of pinto beans, softened up in the Instapot, a brick of cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, and a pint of salsa. The salsa we made from our garden last year with the tomatoes and peppers and onions and so on. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of garlic, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. They're not in there yet. They're going to go in last, but I have this on the Pit Boss Austin grill smoker, 250 degrees for 30 minutes. When it's all said and done, we're going to mash this up into a puree, no blenders, just a mashed potato masher. Get this all squared away, then we're going to put in the final seasonings, mix it up, and it's best served hot. Alright, so here we are about 30 minutes later, and we're going to mash this all together. Add the aforementioned seasonings in it, and this is going to take a little bit to get it pureed, so to speak, without using a blender. But that's okay. So we'll be back. So here it is. It's all done. Refried beans. And I mash them up because personally I like to have some of the bean to be noticeable when you're eating it, as opposed to pureeing it so that the beans are just kind of liquidy and mixed in. But it's all done. And what did Khan say? Vengeance is a dish best served cold. Well, that doesn't apply to these refried beans. Refried beans is a dish best served hot. So guys, enjoy your Sunday, what's left of it. March 17th, 2024. Make some of these refried beans. You're going to absolutely love it. Talk soon. Take care.